KSN Live First Alert Doppler Storm Center. Weather with meteorologist Gary Bandy.
Hello, and welcome back to your hometown news at 10 o'clock on this Tony Valueur's birthday.
Oh, Gary!
All right. How many times have I done that today? 2,000, give or take. How about we take a look outside? Well, a lovely evening to have a birthday like Tony Valueur is. Really looking good out there. We are seeing our temperatures cool off considerably. We only hit 60 for an afternoon high, and actually that is going to be warm compared to tomorrow's temperatures. I'll get to that in a few minutes. Current conditions are looking like this. We're already down to 45 degrees. Our relative humidity this time of night very low at 46%. The red flag warnings we had in effect until 7 o'clock obviously have expired, but it's still somewhat breezy. It might be a little bit safer to do some burning, but boy, earlier today, not so much. 25, the dew point winds are again coming from the northwest at 10 miles per hour, and our barometric pressure is steady. Our four-state temperatures, mid-40s just about everywhere. I think all the 50s have gone by the wayside, all the way up to 48 in Claremore and Tulsa, and 44 degrees in Chanute is, Pittsburgh's 43. That is the coolest of our reporting stations. Our overnight lows by tomorrow morning probably going to get to or just below the freezing mark. Will that result in a hard freeze? We're going to just have to kind of wait and see on that. If we hit 28, probably going to be a hard freeze in your community. If you are at 32 for about 3 to 4 successive hours, that also will be a freeze that will end up being a killing freeze that will kill allergens. Maybe it'll happen, maybe not tonight. A little bit better chance of that tomorrow with a more frigid air mass kind of lodging on top of us by then. By tomorrow night, we're going to see temperatures all the way down into the mid-30s and maybe a few 40-degree temperatures in some areas. Tulsa at 41. Our radar satellite composite over the past few hours, most of the activity happening well off toward the north and the east, and unfortunately for Haiti, as you've probably heard, where they're about getting ready to be slammed by yet another hurricane, and they're still trying to pick up the pieces of what happened there from the earthquake in January. Our Freeman First Alert Doppler radar, going to get to that right now, and then we'll show you what we are expecting over the next couple of days. All these counties in southeast Kansas, northeast Oklahoma, and northwest Arkansas highlighted in blue, currently under a freeze warning. So there's maybe a little bit better chance of seeing that hard freeze occurring tonight. Here's what we're going to be tracking over the next 2 to 3 days. A freeze warning tonight. It's going to be even a little bit cooler tomorrow than what we saw today, with temperatures generally about 10 degrees below normal. A warmer weekend coming up. By Sunday, we're going to be well above normal, and we'll tell you about that in a few more minutes. Breezy conditions will continue throughout the night, but then as that entire system moves off toward the south and the east, we'll start to see the winds relax. High pressure coming in for Friday. Going to be a really, really nice day with plenty of sunshine, and the warm-up will begin on Saturday. I'll tell you about that right now with our KSN Hometown weather forecast. Clear cold, that freeze warning in effect until about 9 a.m. for Oklahoma and for Kansas. Our overnight low temperatures down to 30.